How to appear offline on TikTok. If you want to enjoy TikTok without being disturbed by messages, notifications, or appearing online to others, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on TikTok. Let's dive into it. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines and go to Settings. Here's the key to appearing offline on TikTok. In the privacy section, you'll see an option that says activity status. This is what shows you when you were last active on TikTok to your followers. By turning this off, no one will be able to see when you were last online or active, making it seem like you're offline at all times. Once you simply turn this off, you can uh, simply go back and check in your profile. You'll notice that there is no longer any indication of your activity for others to see. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can also adjust who can comment on your videos or send you direct messages. In the privacy section, simply scroll down and tap on comment, and you can simply filter who can comment. You can also choose to no one. Like direct messages, you can simply choose who can send you. Simply click on no one. And that's it. Now you know how to appear offline on TikTok and enjoy your experience without interruptions.